Take after.
To resemble. She takes after her mother in how she cooks. Look after. To take care of. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation?
Turn off.
To switch off.
Please turn off the lights when you leave the room.
Run out of. To have no more left. We ran out of milk, so I need to buy some. Put off. To delay. They decided to put off the meeting until next week. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Take off. To remove. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Look for. To search. I am looking for my keys. Make up. To invent. They made up after their argument. Hang out. To spend time relaxing. Let's hang out at the mall. Call back. To return a phone call. I'll call you back later. Find out. To discover. I will find out the answer for you. Cut down. To reduce. I need to cut down on sugar. Get over. To recover from. It took her a while to get over the flu. Get rid of. To eliminate. I need to get rid of old clothes. Fall apart. To break into pieces. The old chair is falling apart. Carry on. To continue. Please carry on with your work. Check out. To investigate. Check out that new restaurant. Sit down. To take a seat. You can sit down here. Give out. To distribute. The teacher will give out the tests now. Pick up. To collect or lift. Can you pick up the groceries? Turn on. To activate. Can you turn on the lights? Bring up. To mention. She brought up an interesting topic. Let down. To disappoint. I didn't mean to let you down. Come down. To descend. She came down the stairs for breakfast. Go over. To review. Let's go over their plans again. Hold on. To wait or grip. Hold on a second, please. Bring down. To reduce. We need to bring down costs. Get along with. To have a good relationship. She gets along with everyone at work. Put together. To assemble. She put together the new furniture. Break out. To escape or start suddenly. A fire broke out in the building. Follow up. To pursue further action. I need to follow up on that email.
Go through.
To experience or examine. I had to go through a lot to succeed. Fill in. To complete information. Please fill in the application form. Go along with. To agree to. I will go along with your plan. Keep out. To prevent from entering. Please keep out of the restricted area. Pull over. To stop a vehicle. The police officer asked him to pull over. Tear down. To demolish. They are going to tear down the old building. Light up. To make bright. The fireworks lit up the sky. Blow up. Fill with air. The balloon blew up suddenly. Back out. To withdraw. She backed out of the cake order last minute. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.